This is the time of the year when we think about fuchsias and they're flowering beautifully in the garden, but there's one fuchsia which we all ought to think about because it's perfect ground cover both in the conservatory or the greenhouse if you've got an open bed, or out in the garden on the edge of a border. And this is Fuchsia procumbens. And you can see here in one of our mist houses how rampant our stock plant has become. And it's trailing and it's growing and it's rooting itself into the bench, and it's just starting to flower. And these extraordinary little flowers which have anthers which are bright purple, and the flowers themselves are yellow, and they appear all over the plant individually, and they're really quite attractive. But that's only the start. Once these fruits have died off, and you can see one here that's died off, it is starting to grow a large seed pod, and that seed pod will turn up erect, and it will start, then it will go yellow. Ooh, there's a mist bench that's firing away. It'll turn yellow, and then eventually it'll turn a dark purple, and then it's actually edible. So the fuchsia has many aspects of beauty for its flowers and for its fruits, right through into the autumn, and something you can eat and put in your fruit salad as well. A wonderful little plant that everybody ought to try.